This is Sun City Peachtree here in Griffin, Georgia, one of the most affordable active adult Del Webb neighborhoods in the country. Check this out. If your budget's in the low 300s, this is your new home. This is the very popular gray mist floor plan. It's a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath with a flex bonus room. What makes this one special? Updates, and a lot of them. Not only is this home very well maintained with a roof under 5 years old, exterior paint less than 3 years ago, and regularly maintained HVAC system, but this is the house of updates galore. The kitchen is fully remodeled with painted cabinets, upgraded premium granite, glass tile backsplash, luxury vinyl flooring, and almost $6,000 package in new appliances. The new luxury vinyl extends through the house. Even the bathrooms were updated with new granite tops, fixtures, and paint. The original 3-season room has been extended in size, and the outdoor space offers no neighbors directly behind you and a stacked stone seating wall and a sunsetter awning. Let's go take a look. Now let's take a quick look at this historic town of Griffin and see what it's got to offer as far as shopping, dining, and entertainment. Shopping here gives you the best of both worlds. You'll find all the familiar national retailers and restaurants for everyday needs, but what really sets Griffin apart is its locally owned boutiques. The Rustic Lantern for decor, candles, and fashion with in-house designers. Places like the Cotton Mill Mercantile and Market for antiques and home goods, and Hollywood Home and Candle where you can actually create your own custom candle scent. The Broad Street Mill is a destination in itself. Thousands and thousands of square feet with antiques, coffee, lunch spots, studios, and more. A stroll through the historic districts reveals even more one-of-a-kind shops. I've truly just scratched the surface. When it comes to dining, Griffin is a quote-unquote local favorite kind of town. Enjoy classic spots like Grits, Bank Street Cafe, and Corner Cafe, known for its ever-changing menu and fantastic desserts. Slice's Pizzeria delivers both atmosphere and great pies, while Angelo's Greek and Italian is famous for its gyros, among other things. For breakfast or lunch, Murphy's can't be missed. It offers a delicious blend of Mexican and American flavors and an old-school diner atmosphere. And yes, we've even got a couple of new breweries in town that the locals are already loving. For entertainment, there's always something going on. Golfers can choose from several golf courses in the area, such as the City of Griffin Golf Course or the Club at Shoal Creek. Throughout the year, Griffin hosts ever-changing events through what's called Second Saturday. Food truck fly-ins at the airport, concerts in the park, classic car shows, farmers markets, and the popular June Jam Beach Party, where 40 tons of sand are dumped in the city streets for beach games and live entertainment. You'll also find mini golf at Putt and Pour, festivals like the Dock Holiday Festival with historic reenactments, tons of vendors, and more. Fantastic county aquatics and pickleball facilities, plus access to 27 city and county parks of all sizes. There's something for everyone. For nightlife or creative fun, enjoy tapas and dancing at Tipsy Daisy, visit local galleries, or check out Stash Studio and let your inner artist run wild. And just minutes away, the Atlanta Motor Speedway brings NASCAR, of course, plus the State Fair, among other events. There's so much more here, I can't even begin to show it all, but there's more small town charm here than a Hallmark movie. Plus, to top it all off, you're within 30 minutes of 2 hospital campuses, along with everything you'd expect from a well-rounded, vibrant community. If you're ready to schedule your own private showing of this home, or if you've got a home to sell, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Realty, 404-803-4669. Look forward to hearing from you.